Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cabbage, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with cabbage. So if you're looking for some new ideas, some different ways to flavor your cabbage, hopefully this will help you out. On this list we have basil, bay leaf, caraway seeds, cardamom, cayenne, celery seeds, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, dill, fennel seeds, juniper berries, lovage, mint, mustard seeds, nutmeg, parsley, pepper, rosemary, salt, thyme, and turmeric. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.